The artist begins by mixing two components that allow the resin to work. 2 parts of resin for 1 part hardener. The mixture is then stirred until it becomes homogeneous and transparent. Then, the artist uses a stick to control the pouring over the liquid art panel. It is recommended to allow the resin to stand for a few minutes before applying it to give it a chance to thicken, which allows for added precision during the application. Then, she uses a well-known product from the mixed media program, the sand texture gel. Here, the white sand gel is being used. This product is easy to spread with a spatula. Then, the artist adds some modeling paste, which can also be manipulated with a spatula. Like the resin, this product is great to add some dimension to your piece. Another dimension adding tool, the sound relief, which lets you create edges and shapes onto your piece. Now, the artist is mixing up some studio acrylic colors and prepares to add color to the piece. Obviously, she waited for the other medium to dry before covering them with paint. You can use a standard brush to apply the paint, but you can also obtain different results by using other tools, like this wet tissue she is using. You see the difference of color and texture? As shown here, you can even be creative in the tools you use or in the application process. She is now adding vitrail colors over the glazing resin. Paints always need to be stirred, not shaked, prior to application. You can see that the liquid art panel is really effective at containing the paint. She now adds Fantasy Moon and Prism colors to the piece. Finally, to complete the piece, she is using Jetio Relief Gilding Paste, which is the first step to use the Mirror Effect metal leaf. The metal leaves add a metal touch and texture that stands out from any creation.